Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. Tonight we're in Albania. On tonight's menu, Fërgesë. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Sautéing some diced onion. I add all the diced peppers and saute. I add some minced garlic and saute in. I add the spice blend. I add the tomatoes and get them all stirred in. After simmering for about 10 minutes, I add the eggs so they could poach. The eggs are partially cooked and spooned in. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.